Hey y'all, my name is Bryce from Hope and Haven Homestead, and today, if you have indeterminate tomato plants that are looking a little droopy and you're considering different ways of offering them support, consider the Tomahook. You can buy these commercially made tomahooks online for a little less than $1 each, which is pretty cheap. But if you have some spare wire laying around, I happen to have some extra fencing wire and some baling twine or another suitable string. These are easy and quick to make yourself. What you're going to do is basically make an M and a W. Take your wire, maybe an inch, inch and a quarter, fold down. There's no science to this. Come back the other way. M, turn it over, and you're going to make it on the same side of the post, another M. It's a good idea to have gloves on and eye protection. Commercial ones have this kind of little bend in it when they're done. After that, you're going to tie your string using a little square knot or something simple in the valley of the M, and then you'll wrap the excess twine around the body of the hook. Once you've done that, you'll hook it up on your wire that's suspended across the top. This one has little loops. That's not necessary. It's probably better that you don't have that actually. So the next step is to then tie a loop around the bottom of the plant. In this case, I'm tying a bowline knot because it doesn't slip. You don't want the knot to cinch down and suffocate your plant. Once you've tied the knot, then you will wrap the upper part of the plant around that twine or string to help it stand up, and then you can take away any excess length up at the top by wrapping around the hook. One way to do that, if you don't need to make a full wrap around the hook, is to just loop around that bottom little hook there as many times as you need to get your plant standing up as straight as you need it to be. So here is a view of the finished product. This is a few weeks later. You can see how I've just guided the plant around the string as it grows. This gives it good support. These guys are needing a little water. It is hot and dry. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. If you try this, leave me a note in the comments and let me know how it goes for you. And if you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe and stay tuned.